The Internet of Things or IoT is a network or physical object embedded with sensors, software, or other technologies to connect and exchange data over the Internet. These objects can be anything from household items to industrial tools. The key component of IoT include devices equipped with sensor connectivity through various means like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, data processing either locally or in the cloud, and user interfaces to make the data accessible. IoT has numerous applications such as smart home with automated system, healthcare with wearable devices and remote monitoring industrials. IoT for manufacturing optimization, agriculture for smart farming, transportation with connected vehicle, and smart cities with energy efficient building and waste management system. The benefit of IoT include efficiency, convenience, data driven decision making, and cost saving. However, there are challenges like security, interoperability, scalability, and privacy concern that need to be as IoT continue to grow. Overall, IoT is revolutionizing industries and daily life by creating smarter, more connected and efficient system.